So now Janvi will be telling the answer for flashcards. So we have flashcards here. So coming to the settings, we will set 3 questions, 2 digit, 10 rows. Coming to the speed, it will be 1250 milliseconds. That means 1.25 seconds. Name, I'll enter my name only. Includes applications, yes. Display stopwatches and all this, right. So I wanted to change the theme. So shall we start? Right. So I'm starting the first question. 3, 2, 1, go.
So 69.
69. Okay. Next one. Second question.
Um, 70.
70. Okay. Next question. So this is the one.
Um, 86.
86. Right. So done. After everything is done, you can see the results. I'm opening the results. So very good. All of them are correct. Now in the results, you can also see the correct answers. So I'll zoom it. So 2 digit in rows. So all are correct. Very good. Yeah. So the speed is 1.2 seconds. 2 digit in rows. Right. Now this was about flashcards in additions. Okay. So now we'll do a little harder one. We'll do only one question. 2 digit 20 rows, and the speed is 1250. 1250. Right. I'll enter my name again. Include subtractions, yes. Yeah. So ready? Yes. So 3, 2, 1, start.
So 177.
177. Okay. Next, only one question. That's over. We'll see the results. Right. Excellent. So you can see the same score, 100% and correct answer. So 2D 20 rows, correct answer is 177, and even Janvi's answer is 177. Very good. Yeah, so 2D 20 rows at 1050, 1.2 seconds is really good. Okay, so this was about additions. Now we'll go to multiplications.